In a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 245, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised Muslims to make things easy and not difficult. This means that a Muslim should always lead a simple religious and worldly life. Islam does not demand Muslims to overburden themselves in performing righteous deeds, but it teaches simplicity. A Muslim should firstly strive to fulfill their obligatory duties, which are undoubtedly within their strength to fulfill, as Allah, the Exalted, does not burden a Muslim with more than they can bear. This is confirmed in chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 286.
Allah does not charge a soul, except with that within its capacity.
Next, they should take some time out of their day to study Islamic teachings, so that they can act on the Holy Quran and the established traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, according to their strength. This leads to the love of Allah, the Exalted, which has been confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6502. If a Muslim persists on this behavior, they will be provided with such mercy that they will fulfill all their duties towards Allah, the Exalted, and to people, and find time to enjoy the lawful pleasures of this world moderately. This is how a Muslim makes things easier for themselves. And if they possess dependents such as children, they should teach them the same, thereby making things easier for them also. Overburdening oneself makes things hard and can push one to quit. Whereas, relaxing too much will make things hard, as they will lose out on the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, in both worlds.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.